Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It is July 10th, coming at you with another video here, an update on Wolf Capital. So what's been happening? There's been a lot of changes at Wolf Capital. Currently, they got 9.2 million in total investments. They, have a few claims on that. They're a little bit below that. But what's really been happening is they've changed their contract again, and they're moving away from a fixed percentage. It had been dropped down to 1.1% from the current maximum of 1.5. So they were kind of ranging between 0.8 and 1.1 for the top end of the cruise. Now they're going to basically pay what they make. So what is happening with that? Well, as of I guess on this Thursday coming up, so we're looking at we're at July 10th right now. So on the Thursday to Thursday, they're going to do a week's worth of trading, and whatever they earn, they're going to take off 20% of that and try and close down the Ponzinomics, and we'll get the other 80% that'll be put into the accounts. So it'll be actually basically we'll be getting paid what they make minus 20% until they close out that fee. So there's a few things that will happen with this. You can actually, with your staking, previously you could actually merge your stakes. So if you've done that, you've actually locked in your stakes for another 60 days. If yours are still available to be opened and removed, if you've gone past the 60 days, as of July 12th, they're going to open back up the function on it. They've actually shut down the contract for a few days. They are still doing trading to close down the Ponzinomics, but on July 12th, you could, if you have open stakes, you can withdraw those, and that will happen on Fridays. And then beyond that, coming up Thursday, which is I believe the 14th, 13th, 14th. Let's see here, my calendar. Sorry, the 13th. Yeah, so from the 13th to the 20th, they'll do the trading, and on the 21st, the following Friday, we'll get our first payment on whatever they earn. So it'll go Thursday to Thursday, and then they go forward on trading for the week by week on whatever they earn. So here they have it. They had the update on a Wolf Den. So claiming will be July 21st will be the first claim. So Thursday to Thursday, and they shut down at 4 p.m. UTC. Deposits are going to be updated on the 12th, as I mentioned, and then unstaking. So if you unstake on the 12th, those injections will be put on the 14th, and then following that, if you make a withdrawal after 4 p.m. on Thursday, when it closes for the week, they will be fulfilled the following Friday. So they're talking about a week withdrawal period on Wolf Capital. So those are the big updates for Wolf Capital right now, and going forward, we'll see how this works. To me, it's a good change because it actually makes it fully sustainable. It will be a little bit until they can close down. There's about 35% Ponzinomics. I've heard 35 to 22%, but it's going to take quite a few weeks to close that down. So they will be taking 10 to 20% of the value out of that trade, and that will be reducing that Ponzinomics. And when it's gone, it will be then that will be all coming back to the individuals who are still staked. One other thing that I should mention as well before we go here, if you do remove your stakes, you are subject to the current Ponzinomic fee. So if that's 35%, you will lose 35% of your stake. So until that, as that Ponzinomics goes down, so say they make $200,000, it goes down to 32%, then you lose 32% of your stake. So if we go round numbers, so right now if you have $100, you withdraw it, you only get $65 of that. So, and if they earn some money over a few weeks and it goes down to 30%, for every $100 you take out, you'll lose $30 and 70. So as that creeps down, it'll go down to 20%, 10%, 5%. So you'll only lose $5 at each 100, and then that goes down. So you will right now, because they want to be ensure that everybody can take their money out. So the way that is, whatever the Ponzinomic number is that they can't cover by dollar for dollar, that is coming off your stake. So make sure you don't I think it's a fairly solid platform, but if you need your money, you will get that fee coming off now, and that's part of the changes that they're doing with the contract and why it's been a little bit more delayed going forward. So hopefully this is good information. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. As always, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, but if you are getting in, I do have some videos on this as well. Thanks. That's it for the update on Wolf Capital. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.